Get your hands dirty with delicious Cajun-style seafood boil at the Crab Hut in Fort Myers and Shakin' Crab in Bonita Springs. Crawfish, clams, all kinds of crab, mussels, lobsters, even shrimp with the heads on to eat like a true Cajun. Or some TV food guru. If you aren't keen on eating with your hands or like your swimming dinner to be a bit battered, well, the Crab Hut and Shakin' Crab got you covered. They have full bars, daily happy hours, plus lunch and dinner specials. Great food and a fun time, too, at the Crab Hut in Fort Myers and the Shakin' Crab in Bonita Springs.